So, everyone's searching for that one exercise, right? The holy grail that burns fat, boosts your mood, strengthens your heart, but doesn't require an Olympic-level commitment. Let me save you some time. It's not running, it's not CrossFit, it's not even lifting weights. The answer is walking. Yeah, I know. Walking sounds almost too simple, but stick with me, because science says it's the most underrated powerful exercise you can do, every single day. Here's why. First, walking fires up your metabolism. Studies show that brisk walking can increase calorie burn, help regulate blood sugar, and even lower those stubborn stress hormones. It's gentle on your joints, but tough on disease. Regular walkers have a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and even certain cancers. And get this, just 30 minutes a day can boost your mood, sharpen your memory, and help you sleep better at night. So how many steps do you actually need? Forget the magic 10,000. Research shows that benefits start as low as 4,000 to 6,000 steps a day. If you want to burn more fat, try walking in the morning before breakfast, or add a few hills and stairs to your route. Want a full-body workout? Swing your arms, pick up the pace, or carry light weights. Small tweaks, big results. Here's the breakdown. Walking boosts metabolism and burns fat, lowers stress and balances blood sugar, strengthens your heart and brain. Easy to start, easy to stick with. So, here's my challenge to you. Grab your sneakers and take that first step today. Don't overthink it, don't wait for perfect weather, just get moving. So, what's the number one exercise? It's walking, simple, free, and backed by science. It's not about perfection, it's about motion. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, subscribe for more realistic health tips, and comment below. How many steps do you walk a day? Download your free 7-day walking challenge guide below and start today. No gym, no stress, just steps toward a stronger, healthier you.